Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to use your Home Depot store credit for online purchases in 2025. If you've got store credit burning a hole in your pocket, this guide will help you redeem it seamlessly from the comfort of your couch. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Home Depot store credit ready. This could be from a return, a gift card, or a promotional offer. Start by logging into your Home Depot account on their official website or app. If you don't have an account, it's quick and free to sign up. Just head to homedepot.com and click on Sign In to create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Here, you'll find a tab for Gift Cards and Store Credit. Check your balance to ensure you have enough for your purchase. Pro tip: if your credit is from a physical card, you might need to add it to your digital wallet first by entering the card number and PIN. Now, for the fun part, shopping. Browse the site, add the items you want to your cart, and proceed to checkout. At the payment page, look for the option to apply store credit. It should be under Payment Methods or a similar section. Enter the details if prompted, and watch the total drop as your credit is applied. Remember, in 2025, Home Depot has updated their system for smoother integration, so this should be straightforward, but double-check for any restrictions like expiration dates or eligible items. One thing to note: not all items may qualify for store credit redemption, especially big-ticket items or those on sale, so read the fine print. After applying your credit, review your order summary, enter any remaining payment if needed, and hit Place Order. You'll get a confirmation email right away. And that's it. You've just saved money on your Home Depot haul. Using store credit online is a game changer for 2025, helping you stretch your budget further. If you run into any issues, Home Depot's customer support is top-notch. Just reach out via chat or phone. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. See you next time.